Another amazing day for AMC stock. Guys, if you don't think that a 15% gain is an amazing day, I think you might be a little spoiled at this point. Really seeing some of the numbers that we've seen in the past. 15% is excellent. Any day we can close in the green is excellent. Now look, in this video, I want to talk a little bit about what's going on with AMC stock. I know you're seeing a lot of new YouTube videos being promoted saying that AMC is going to be at $100 next week, $500 next week, $50,000 next week. Man, a lot of people have their price predictions, and they're saying that hedge funds are backed up against the corner and that they've got nowhere left to go but down. So, of course, we need to address all of this, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and who knows, maybe I'll get a ding notification, right? But become a bro. We are here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. All right, AMC stock. For those of us that have been in it for a while now, we know what's going on. But I know that there are new investors, new apes, new bros coming in every single day and adding to the price. But I kind of want to frame this a little bit because, yes, it's turning out to be a battle between hedge funds, a battle between Wall Street and the retail investors. Wall Street versus Main Street, hedge funds versus us. And, although CNBC and Fox are not going to claim that that's what it is because that's dangerous, right? The big guys always win. The little guys never win. The money always wins. We are proving to be putting up a very good fight. We're not backing down. They know we're not backing down. But guess what? They are also not backing down. And a lot of people, I've been seeing a lot of videos lately saying that hedge funds are backed up against the corner. They've got nowhere else to go, and they're going to lose as soon as it reaches $100 or as soon as it comes past this date. It's not the case, guys. Just as much as you are willing to fight, the hedge funds are willing to fight. If you think that they're just going to roll over and hand you hundreds of billions of dollars, unfortunately, that's not going to be the case. Now, I will tell you how easy it is to win at the end of this video because it's a very simple strategy and it will work. But we do have a lot of work left to do. So let's talk about it. In some of the other videos, I've been seeing people say, well, if hedge funds have their average short price at $10 per share and it reaches $100 per share, they're going to be $10 billion down. Guys, $10 billion. It sounds like a lot of money to me. It sounds like a lot of money to you. But when the hedge funds are currently in possession and currently in control of $3.8 or $3.9 trillion, $10 billion is a drop in the bucket. Okay, Citadel themselves are in charge of over $400 billion. So let that sink in for a minute. They can cover a $10 billion loss. And a $10 billion loss is not what we're looking for. We are looking to wipe them out, and we are looking for so much more than a $100 peak. So yes, if you don't think that they can outlast $100 per share, they can absolutely outlast $100 per share. The real question is, can you outlast $100 per share? I know that I can. I want to know if you can. Throw it in the comments below right now if you want to. Can you hold beyond $100 per share? Because here's the deal. $100 per share, I don't know how much you have in your portfolios right now. It's going to make your account look very nice, especially if you got back in when we were talking about $5 a share. AMC being $5 a share, you 20x your money. It's going to be looking very tempting to take that profit. But here's the deal. $100 per share for you and I might seem like a lot. $100 per share to somebody that's in charge of trillions of dollars does not seem like a lot of money. And I'm not trying to scare anybody away. I want you to be prepared because this isn't going to be as easy as a lot of other people are saying, in the sense that, oh, well, it's a guaranteed win if we get to $100 per share. It's a guaranteed win if we can hold out until June, or if we can hold out past the shareholder meeting. I wish it were so. I really do. But the hedge funds, if they want to generate liquidity, All they have to do is sell one of their other stocks. If they want to renegotiate the terms of their loan, they hold billions and trillions of dollars. They can renegotiate. They understand how close they are to getting margin called because they know what their positions look like. They know how much they're gaining, how much they're losing, where they can sell positions, where they can put that money back into AMC to generate the liquidity that they need not to get margin called. So they do have the advantage of knowing all of that stuff. They have the advantage of knowing how close they are to margin calls. They have the advantage of knowing how many short positions they actually have out there, or if they have some sort of naked shorts out there. They know all of this, and we don't. So what do we know? How could we possibly win when we don't have all of the facts? How could we possibly win when we don't have the type of money that they have? Guys, that is why it is so simple. And I understand that you might watch videos, there might be some other YouTubers out there that are going to tell you you're going to have a billion, trillion, $1 million by the end of the week. Well, it's not necessarily the case, but I do want to let you know how we can win this battle, how we can win. And it's as simple as holding the stock. Now, I know you look out there right now and you see that there are 350 million shares of AMC being traded. There's 350 million today, 800 million tomorrow, 400 million the next day. People are trading the stock. The volatility involved in AMC right now has drawn in an influx of day traders, swing traders, and it's brought in an entirely new crowd. Now, at the beginning, when there were so many less shares to be traded, AMC had volume in the $30 million or 30 million share range per day. And this, to me, the 30 million shares a day was a lot more beneficial for us than 400 million shares per day. Why? Because hedge funds view that number and they know that if they need to liquidate, if they need to get out, they could sell all of their shares in a matter of 2 hours. They could cover all of their short positions in a matter of 2 hours. And that doesn't put any pressure on them. If they know that it's going to take them a month to close out of all of their short positions, they get scared. They see that risk, they understand that risk, and that drives those margin calls to take place even sooner. So if you're day trading AMC right now, look, there's plenty of other stocks that you can day trade at this point. If you want to take advantage of the price swings in AMC, use options and just hold the shares. But I need everybody to understand how a short squeeze happens is the fact that people don't sell it back to the hedge funds. So if everybody sells it back to the hedge funds at the current price, guess what happens? The current price stays the current price. It doesn't go up. But if they won't sell it back to the hedge funds, that demand, where the supply is not there but the demand is, it drives the price up. So the strategy is very simple, guys. If we hold the stock and we do not sell the stock back to them, the price goes up. When will it happen? Nobody knows. If somebody's telling you it's going to happen next week, really question where they're getting their information from. If somebody tells you it's going to happen at $100, really question where they're getting their information from, because it's not something that somebody can predict. So, but knowing that, when people ask if it's too late to get into AMC, if you think that $55 is the peak, the potential for AMC is so much greater than the current price. You know, people might think that AMC is expensive at $50, and it is, okay? But we thought the same thing about $14 2 or 3 weeks ago. We thought the same thing about $8 2 or 3 months ago. So you see what I'm saying here? It could be trading at $55 this week, but it could be trading at $555 next week. Nobody knows where the price is going to go, but the potential for AMC is so much greater. The short positions are still out there. The short squeeze has not occurred, and when it does, you will know. The price will rise much more drastically than it has already risen, and that is why I'm excited. That's why I truly believe that AMC has the potential to bring life-changing money to every single one of us, and I hope that you guys do too. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. If you want to throw out your price predictions or date predictions and all of that stuff, absolutely. But the main thing I want to know is, are you willing to hold the stock? Because when I see 400 million shares being traded, I know there are a lot of people who are unwilling to hold this stock. They take these little 15% gains and they move on, or they wait for it to dip back down and they try to make another 15%, and it's as simple as that. So let us know down in the comments below if you guys are holding. If that subscribe button is still red, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button, join the channel, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. There's a link down there for Webull. Sign up for Webull, deposit $100, get those free stocks. And if you don't want to use my link, use somebody's link, right? Just use a link. Twitter, ClayBro883. Follow me there. The link's in the description as well. ClayBro.com. If you would like a bro shirt, I know it's backwards, but it's trust me, it's real in real life. Yeah, ClayBro.com. And until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.